YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use clipchamp. Clipchamp is a free editor made by Microsoft, and it should come with your Windows 11 computer. I actually use clipchamp's premium edition, the paid edition, which is how I make such good, amazing videos. Now I'm going to show you what the premium edition does and some of the basics of how to use your Microsoft clipchamp video editor. First thing you see, you can create a new video, start from scratch. Okay, you can also create videos with AI. Down here, you got templates. You got YouTube templates, Instagram, intro, outro, gaming, and so on, even slideshows. And you can see some of my videos here. You can also see your brand kit templates and settings. Your brand kit is a premium feature that you can just have your pre-made logos, fonts, and colors that you can use while editing your video. Templates are all kinds of templates that you can start your video off with, which is pretty cool. I use them. They are super helpful when you're just trying to slap something together. You got it for all kinds of stuff. You also got your settings. So, we're going to go in our folder area now. You can add a folder. Now I'm going to show you the ones I have. I have a TikTok folder and a YouTube folder. Now, you guys can probably guess that. My TikTok videos go in this one, and my YouTube videos go in this one. If I click on my TikTok, I don't have one right now, because after I post the videos, I usually delete them. And my YouTube, I have a couple left over. As you can see, these videos have already been on my YouTube channel, and these ones are going to be on my TikTok. So I'm going to show you a small demonstration on how to use the clipchamp editor, and I'm going to press create a new video in my TikTok folder. As you can see, it is a very user-friendly layout. Let me full screen this for you guys. First things first, you see is where your video and your edits are displayed. You've got where your main video goes. Your music usually goes down here, and any effects go up here, or also down here. You can also see where you can import media. This is where all media, like everything that you have in your video, is all displayed. In this area, you can import media from your files, or you can browse files, browse content library, create text-to-speech. You can go to your OneDrive, your Google Drive, and your drop-down box. You've got record and create. You can record your screen and camera, just your camera, just your screen, and your audio, and you also got text-to-speech, which is super useful. Go down to the content library. You got all kinds of cool pre-made content. You got shapes, clipchamp select, subscribe stickers, music, videos, stickers, backgrounds, images, frames, and borders, sound effects, overlays, and giffies, whatever the flip you call them. Let's go to frames and borders. You got all kinds of cool frames and borders that you can add around your videos, which are pretty neat. You got Microsoft nostalgia. Look at this. That's funny. That's cool. You got shapes. You got basic, rounded, callouts. Look at all that. Clipchamp selects. Video selected by clipchamp, or any kind of things like images, your frames, your figures, your overlays, your background, stickers, sound effects, music, and your videos, but selected by clipchamp. And you can simply add them in by just dragging and dropping them into your editor, your editing area, which is pretty neat, I would say. Let's add a small border. There. This is our basic frame. that I just completely replaced my flipping one thing. And my border needs to go around here. Go like that. Boom. Just kind of size that up. Unable to really, there we go. Perfect. That's good enough. Now let's get our video back in here because it killed itself. Okay, let's put the video up here. And then that's where our video is going to be played at. Let's see how that looks. Alright, let's get a small video that I already have pre-made. I think I have a video. Yeah, let's use this one right here. I've already posted this one, but let's put that sucker into here. Then it's going to go into this. I'm going to put it up at the top to make sure that it stays in my border. See, now I gotta kind of size it a little bit to fit in the border. Just like that. Now, as you can see, now that we sized it in the border,
Hello, people of the United States of my
border. Now, I want to add captions to this video, so I'm going to go up here. I'm going to press this. I'm going to filter profile right here. You can also choose the language. Let's transcribe this video. So now we can have professional looking automatic captions in our video to make it look more professional, more modern, and good looking. I like to have captions in some of my videos. As you can see here, Farming Simulator 2025. It is making the captions for, that means it's making the captions for this right here. Sometimes it will also count these in small videos and even music that you have within your content, but it will not transcribe them if they don't have any words in them. Let's add, while that's transcribing, let's add some music to our startup. I'm going to go to the content library. Let's go to music. Clipchamp selects. Now this, I should be able to play it in this recording. Okay, open use. Well, my headset's disconnected. Let's. Here. Let's get out of clipchamp selects. Let's go to music. Let's go to hip hop. There we flip and go, mate. Let's do. Okay, this one looks cool. Now I'm going to put that at the bottom. You're going to put your audio or your sound at the bottom. Now I'm going to make sure that the music only plays within the startup. So we don't have startup music playing all through our video. So let's kind of minimize that using our simple scroll here. Jesus. Keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. Oh, look, our flipping captions came in. Oh shoot, why don't we just edit the flippin' 3 seconds. There. That's how easy that was. Let's put it right there. Now, when we do this.
Hello, people of the United States of my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to be farming today. So, last video I said...
You can also edit these. You can change the color of them. You can change... Ooh. Yep. I think you're also able to change the size of them. Yes. Right there.
We're going to be harvesting. So, look what we're doing. We're harvesting. This isn't going to be long of a video, but we are going to start harvesting this amazing crop field.
There we go. We can also choose to hide the captions in the video if you just wanted to have these timestamps here. Right here, you can also see AI suggestions. You can have an auto cut that removes pauses and filter words. Let's press that. Pauses, it has 7 pauses to the car wash. Entering aid watching this scam call, people are calling my phone. What? Oh, okay, I see what. I'm going to wind up checking now. Hey, right, are you getting the nerves here? Okay, this is how you... I am confused. I don't know when I said this in my video, but I'm going to press remove. Remove. Look how much time in my video it is saving from unnecessary content. Filter words. Remove. Let's see how good my video winds up. Okay, it definitely made it shorter, but is it still good? That's the thing.
Hello, people of the United States.
Guys, I'm his brother. You better subscribe or I'm gonna find you and tickle your toesy woesies.
That.
Yeah.
This is the combine.
I don't know. I'm not really gonna watch this whole video in this video. So, yeah, that's the things that it has for you. You also got text that you can play around with. Templates, again, those templates. You even got transitions, which are pretty cool. And your brand kit, like I was talking about earlier. You could also name it, and you also got cloud backup, which is a premium feature. Then you can also export your video at 480p, 720p, 1080p, or 4K. 4K is premium, and 1080p is free, 720 is free, 480 is free. You can also do audio only. And for videos 15 seconds or less, you can make a GIF. Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this small basic show of Microsoft Clipchamp. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. And come back again. Goodbye.